Welcome to your first 60-second update of 2026, with 3 mobile catering squads and RAF littering, as we gear up for a busy start to the year. 3 MCS will be cooking up a storm on Op Biloxi. The squadron are preparing to deploy on the NATO-enhanced air policing mission, where they will cater for 230 personnel over the 6-month operation, serving 150,000 meals. On 3rd of January, RAF Typhoons joined French aircraft in a joint strike on an underground facility occupied by Daesh in Syria. The Royal Air Force has continued to conduct patrols over Syria to help prevent any attempted resurgence of the Daesh terrorist movement, in a move that demonstrates our commitment to our allies. RAF assets are heading to Nevada for Exercise Red Flag, the world's premier air combat training exercise. We'll be sharing more news on the people, aircraft and milestones throughout the exercise. That's everything for this episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.